Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, hi Hardik. Shall we start?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, good. Hanji, so today it is the first lecture, right?
Yeah.
So did you
Yes.
watch some videos I gave you on WhatsApp?
Yeah, I saw a couple of videos.
Hmm. So were you able to understand something? The pronunciation rules which I
Yeah.
gave, ABCD and all that?
Yes. 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 I
Okay.
able.
Okay, good. So see, first of all, today we'll be starting with the topic of pronunciation, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So in pronunciation, what do? We see what are the different letters used in the language. Okay. What are their respective sounds? A, B, C, D, so on. Right. Clear?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
So first of all, I am playing one video. I am playing one ABCD video. So I am playing it.
Yeah.
Try to listen to it. That is basically the German list of letters, the German ABCD. Okay, just
Yeah.
like
Okay. Yeah.
we have ABCD in English, ABCD, EFGH. Just like that, we have one ABCD sequence of letters, alphabets. In German also, they use the same Roman letters ABCD, but the sound is different. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm playing the video two times. Try to listen to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, so that is the German list of letters, right? Now speak again. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Speak after me. A, B, C, D,
A B C D
E, F, G,
A F G
H, I, J, K,
H I J K
Yacht, H-I-J-K,
H I J K
L-M-N-O-P,
L M N O P
Q-R-S-T,
U R S T
U-V-W,
U V W
X-Y-Z.
X Epsilon and Z.
Yes, X-Y-Z. And is
Z.
und, okay? And is called und in German. So if
Und
you want to say X, Y, and Z, then this and becomes und.
U N D.
Okay?
Yes. Und.
X-Y und Z.
Yes. Und Z.
Okay, repeat again. A, B, C, D,
A B C D
E, F, G,
A F G
H, I, J, K,
H I J K
L-M-N-O-P,
L M N O P
Q-R-S-T,
Q R S T
U-V-W,
U V W
XYZ.
X Epsilon Z.
Right? Clear till here?
Yes.
Okay. That is the German list of letters. Clear?
Yeah.
I am sending you this video. So see where you will need this. Whenever you have some capital letters in front of you, example, let's say there's a car company BMW, right? So you
Yeah.
will not call it as BMW, you will say BMW. Speak?
Yes. BMW.
BMW. So actual German letters you have to use. Example, CD is there, right? So we will not say CD, we will say CD. Okay?
CD.
Yeah. So wherever you have a capital letters in the exam also, right? You might be asked to repeat the letters of your first name. Okay, right? Just suppose that you are going to a government office in Germany and the person who is sitting there, he doesn't know English, right?
Yeah.
And he is writing your name. Then how you will tell? If you say HARDIK, he will not understand because he doesn't know English. So you have to use the German letters. You will say A B C D E F G Ha. So you will say Ha, A, Er,
A,
D,
R,
E, K.
D.
Okay,
Yes. E.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, like this you have to practice. So in all the words, remember this video. Listen to this video 4-5
Yeah.
times so that you remember this ABCD completely. Because wherever you are
Yes.
required to spell out any letters, you have to use the German ABCD only.
Yes. German pronouns. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So now
Yeah.
we'll start with that pronunciation. That was so far what we did. We did this thing, the names of letters. Now we have to see the actual topic. That is the sounds of these letters.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm opening
Yes.
one file in front of you. See here.
Hmm.
Yeah. So German, as you know, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets from A till Z. Clear?
Yeah.
A till Z, we have basically two parts, vowels and consonants. Okay?
Yes.
Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are your B, C, D till Z.
Okay.
Okay? Consonants are B, C, D till Z. So first of all, what I am doing, I am drawing one table here. B, D, G, P, T, K. Try to understand this. The table is any word ending with B, D, and G. Right? Any word ending in
Sound
B,
is-
D, and G, respectively, the sound of that B, D, and G is per, ta, and ka.
Yes.
Okay?
What I
Any word ending with B, D, and G, the sound is per, ta, and ka. P, T, and K sound is there. Clear?
Yes.
So speak the example there. G, I, B. Speak the example.
Geep,
Geep,
Kint, and Tak.
Geep, Kint, and Tak.
Yes. Geep, Kint, and Tak.
Okay? Geep, Kint, and Tak. Got it?
Tak.
Yes. Any word
Yeah,
ending with
good.
B, D, and G, respectively, the sound is per, ta, and ka. So that becomes Geep, Kint, and Tak. Speak again.
Geep, Kint, and Tak.
So Geep is give, Kint is child, and Tak is day.
Yes.
Okay? Geep is give, Kint is child, and Tak is day. Clear till here?
Yes. So Guten
Okay.
means good.
Guten means good. Yeah. So there is one greeting, right? Good means good. Okay. In good, they are putting an ending. Guten. So gutta, guten,
Yes.
gutes, like that. You will see the endings in B2 level, adjective endings.
Guten Tag.
Okay. Yeah. So what I am saying, see, TAG, it is not tag. You have to speak tag. Guten tag.
Tag. Yes. Guten
Okay. So
Tag.
whenever you will listen to any native German person, he will say guten tag. He will never say tag.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, let's move ahead. Now the first letter is A. The first vowel is A. So A is having two sounds, okay? A is having two sounds, A and A. Right?
Okay.
A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is one consonant, it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound.
Awesome.
Okay? After A, if it is having one consonant, it will have the A sound. Otherwise, it will have the A sound. So see the first example, ALT. Tell me how many consonants after A?
Two consonants.
Two are there. Okay, so it will have the
Yes.
A sound, alt.
Alt.
Right? Yeah. Next
Yes.
is FRAGEN. After A one consonant, so that
Fragen.
will have the A sound. Speak.
Fragen.
Fragen. And next is Tragen.
Fragen.
Okay. Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Speak the example.
Fragen. Alt. Fragen and Tragen.
Alt, Fragen, and Tragen. Clear?
Fragen. Yes.
Next is
Yes.
E. E is having the A sound. Okay. E is having the A sound. SN and Egal. Speak.
Yes. SN and Egal.
Right. So after A, it is one consonant that will have the A sound. Egal. SN and Egal.
Egal. Yes.
Clear? SN and Egal.
Yeah.
Got it?
Egal.
Next is I. I is having two sounds. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Again, you have to do the counting of the consonants. So if you see I double ST, there are three consonants. So after
Yes.
I, if it is only one consonant, that will have the long E, otherwise short E.
Yes.
Okay, so three consonant, short
Yes.
E. Ist. Speak. Ist.
Isht.
Next. Second.
Vider.
Wieder. Wieder. Not vider. Don't stretch it so much.
Yes.
Speak normally. Wieder. Correct. And BILD. Speak. Built. Okay.
Built.
Good.
Yes. BDCPT.
Yes, built. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. Okay.
Yes.
O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, it will have the O sound. Otherwise, it will have O for awesome.
Yes.
O for awesome
Awesome.
sound. So speak the example. Order.
Awesome.
Speak. Order.
Zaul.
Order. Zol. Single S is
Order.
the, double S is the. Zol.
Yes. Zol. Munat.
Monad. After O, one consonant.
Mon-
After A, one consonant. Okay.
Monad.
Speak slowly. Monad.
Monat. Monat. And Corp.
Corp. Okay. After O, two consonant and B in the end is per. Corp.
Yes. Corp.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. Speak the example.
Tone.
Tone. Next.
Motor.
Motor. Next.
Motor. Sorry. Motor. And shoe.
Shoe. Okay.
Shoe.
Shoe. SCH is sh. H in the end is silent. Shoe. Right?
It's like Schneider.
Tone. Motor. Yeah, exactly. Schneider, Schindler. These are all German companies. So SCH is sh. Okay.
Yes.
Tone, motor, and shoe.
Shoe.
Yeah. This motor, na, this R is not that much heavily pronounced. It's very kind of silent. Motor, like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Motor.
So don't make it motor. It's wrong. Okay. It's motor. It's very little sound is there. Motor.
Okay.
Very
Motor.
soft. Yeah. Kind of silent. Tone, motor, and shoe.
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's start with the consonants. So first consonant is B. So in the end, whenever B is coming in the end, the sound is per, right?
Per.
The sound is per. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay.
Okay.
B for Bombay. So speak this example. Belen.
Belen.
Next, Oben.
Oben.
Corp.
Corp. Keep.
Geep. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Next is C. C is having the K sound. Okay, speak the example. Camping.
Camping.
Correct. Okay. Camping. Next is D. It's they have taken this word from English actually. That's why you don't have to say camping. You can just say camping. That is sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay.
Camping.
Yes. Next is D. D in the end is T. Okay. From the table BDGPTK. D in the end is T and beginning or middle is D for dog.
Okay.
Right? Beginning or middle is D for dog. So speak the example. Dom.
Doom.
Next.
Bedu.
Bida. Bida.
Sorry. Bider.
Vidar.
So, Vidder.
Next.
Bart.
Bart.
Hunt.
Bart and Hunt. Okay.
Hunt.
Yeah. This EI is I is E.
Okay. IE is E.
Okay. EI is I is E. Dom, Bida, Vidar, Bart and Hunt.
Okay.
Okay. Dom, Bida, Vidar, Bart and Hunt. Got it?
Hunt. Yes. Got it.
Next is F. F is fur. Okay. F is fur. So AU is ow. Speak the example. Foul.
Foul.
Next.
Saf.
Shaft. Okay.
Yes.
SH is sha. After A it is one consonant. Though that is having the A sound. Shaft.
Shaft.
Yeah. Foul and shaft.
Shaft.
Next is G. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun.
Okay.
Okay. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Gagan.
Gegen.
So Gegen. Tak.
Tak.
Kluk.
Kluk. Gegen, tak and kluk.
Gegen, Tak and Kluk.
Right. Next is H. H in the beginning is her, middle or end it is silent. Okay.
Sign. Okay.
Speak the example. Halt.
Halt. Gegen.
Gain.
Gain. Sorry. Gain. Zen.
Zen. Halt, gain and zen. Right.
Yes. Halt, gain and Zen.
Next is J. J is here for yellow. Okay.
Okay.
J is here for yellow. Speak the example.
Yes. Yungu.
Yunga.
Yunga.
Right. Okay.
Yunga.
Yunga, not Yungu. Make it Yunga. E in the end is a. Okay. Yunga.
Yes. Yunga.
Whenever E is coming in the end, it's a little bit a sound. Yunga.
Yunga.
So don't call it as Yunge. It is Yunga. Yunga.
Okay.
Right. Good. Next is K, L, M, and P. That is having the same sound. Ka, la, ma, na, pa. Speak the example.
Okay.
Klasa.
So Classer.
Next.
So Sicken.
SCH is Shah. Schindler. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, not chicken. It's EN, not E. Okay.
Okay.
So A sound will come. Chicken. Next. Keller.
So Keller.
Next.
Keller.
Well.
Wheel. Otman.
Atman.
Atman. So Atman.
Next.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Rennen. And so Brown.
Brown.
Sorry, Brown. Brown. So Lipa.
Brown and Lipper. Okay.
Lipper.
Got it? Klasa, Chicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Shrimp, Rennen, Brown, and Lipper.
Lipper.
Got it now? KLMNP?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? Okay, so what I am doing, first of all, I am sending you this PDF file, right? Download this file.
Yeah.
Okay, download this file first of all. Go through the file for 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
First, go through the file from A till P. Right. After 5 minutes, we'll start again, and you have to speak the examples from top. First revise that. After 5 minutes, we'll discuss again. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, start now from the top.
Yeah, so
Right, start from BDG PTK. Okay, speak the rule and speak the example.
rule. Yeah. So from
From the beginning. Okay, BDG PTK from
from
here.
the yes, BDG PTK. Yes. So give, kind, tak.
Next.
Yeah. Next, A. Alt, fragen, tragen,
Next. Good.
Sn,
Hmm.
egal.
Okay, egal, because after it is one constant,
That's
so egal.
double A.
Right.
Yes. Egal.
Next.
Ist,
Hmm.
vider,
Vider, not vider.
vider.
Speak
Sorry, vider. Built.
And one more thing, see, this is the German word, actual word in the red color.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The right hand side is the meaning, complete right.
The meaning,
Okay?
yes.
And in middle
center
it is
is
the sound.
pronouns.
Yeah. So you can leave the meaning. Right now we are not discussing the meanings. Okay? Meanings we'll discuss after from the next class. And this sound is just for your reference. After the class, if you want to revise, you can see here how to express the sound. Okay. And this is the actual word.
Pronounce.
Yeah. Okay. Next is
Der,
O.
oder, so Zaul,
Again, say not oder. Speak normally. Order.
order, Zaul,
Zol.
Monat, Korb,
Next
Tone.
is you. Tone.
Mutter,
Mutter.
or Mutter, Su,
Shoe. Okay.
Shu, yes. Belen,
Yeah. Next.
Oben,
Hmm.
Korb, and Gib.
Belen, Oben, Corp and Geep.
Geep.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Camping.
Next, C. Camping.
Yes. C. Camping.
Hmm.
Doom.
Correct. Doom.
Baidu.
Bider.
Bider. Sorry. Bider. Vidder.
Hmm.
Bat.
Hmm.
And Hunt.
Hunt. Okay.
Hunt. Yes.
Next
So
is
fowl.
F. Fowl.
Saf.
Fowl and Shaft.
Sharp.
Yeah. Next is G. Okay. Speak the
Gegen.
example. Gegen.
Again. Tak.
Tak.
Kluk.
Kluk.
Yeah.
Next is H. Speak the example.
Yes. H. Is a halt.
Halt.
Halt. Gegen.
Gain. Gain. Not Gegen.
Gain, sorry,
G-E-H-E-N,
gain.
Gain.
Yes. Is Zen.
Zen. Okay.
Zen. Yeah. It's Jung.
Younger. Younger.
Younger. Younger.
Yeah. Next.
Class.
Classer.
Classer.
Hmm.
Second.
Chicken.
So killer.
Keller.
Keller.
Hmm.
Will.
Will.
Will. Ant-Man.
Atman.
Sorry. Atman.
Hmm.
Swim.
Swim.
Swim. So Renan.
Renan.
Brown.
Brown.
Lipper.
Leper. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Clear now? Good.
Yes.
So now we'll start with part 2, right? See the example here. So after P, next is Q, right? Q comes with U always, okay? Q comes with U. QU sound is square,
Okay.
right? QU
Square.
sound is square. Speak the example. Quare,
Square.
quare, okay?
Square.
QU is square, that is having the quare sound, quare. Next is R, okay? R is having the glottal R, glottal R sound,
Okay. Yes.
right?
Raw.
Glottal means something coming from inside of the neck, R, like
Yes.
this.
Raw.
Okay, raw. It's also called as the French R. In French also they speak like this, raw, like this.
Okay.
Okay, so speak the example, riser.
Riser.
And see, whenever R is coming in the beginning, R component is more, her is less. Okay.
Okay.
And as you move ahead, when R goes to the end of the word, just like this brooder, then her component is more and R is very less.
Okay.
Okay, R 30%, her 70% when R is going at the end. Clear?
Okay.
So speak this brooder
Brooder.
and Schwester.
Shrestha.
Simple. R. Okay.
Repeat. Sorry.
Yeah.
Can you repeat last one?
Schwester.
Shrestha.
Yeah, Schwester means sister. So speak riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Riser. Ruder.
Brooder.
Sorry, Brooder.
Hmm.
And Shrestha.
Schwester, correct. Next
Yes.
is S. Single S is the, double S is sir.
Okay.
Single S is the, double S is sir. So speak the
Sure.
example. Zingen
Zingen.
and Schloss.
Slosh.
Schloss. Okay, single S is
Schloss.
the for zebra. And double S is sir. Zingen and Schloss.
Zingen and Slosh.
Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay, speak the example.
Tanken.
Tanken.
Yes. Tanken.
Hmm.
Ranton.
Ratten.
Rattan. Sorry.
Okay, Tanken and Ratten.
Rattan.
Yes. Next is V and W. V is for, W is were.
Okay.
Okay, V is for, W is were. Speak the example. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Hmm.
Yeah. And so feel.
Feel. Yeah.
For. Visor.
Wasser.
Sorry, Wasser.
Wasser.
Wasser. And
Vegan.
Vegan. And Wo.
Wo. Okay. Feel for, Wasser, vegan and wo.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Next is X. Speak the example. X is Strahlen.
Extralan.
Yes. Next is Y and Z. Okay. Y is having the ui sound. Ui. Speak the example. Twip.
Twip.
Twip. Next is Z. Z is ta and sa mix. This is, let's see, this image is little bit cut from here. Y is ui. Twip. Twip. Okay. And
Yeah.
Z is having the mix of ta and sa. Z is having the mix of ta and sa. Okay.
Yeah.
Just like, you know, the English word like walnuts, cuts and puts. ta
Yes,
and sa
walnuts.
mix is
Yes,
there.
cuts and puts.
Yeah. So speak the example. Sight. Speak.
Sight.
Sight and souk.
Souk.
Okay.
Yes.
Sight and souk.
Souk. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good. So let me share this PDF. First we revise till Z and then we'll start with the combinations, these constant combinations. Okay.
Okay.
I am sending you the second file. You start from this Q till Z. So first we'll revise the first file again and then we'll start with the second file once again. So revise both the files. From A till Z completely you have to revise. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, take 2-3 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll start again.
Yeah.
Revise them properly.
Yes. Yeah, it's done. Hello.
Done all?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, let's start from A again. Okay, speak the examples from this BDGP PTK. Okay, from here.
Yes. Give,
Hmm.
kin,
Hmm.
tak,
Yeah.
wait. Alt,
Hmm.
fragan,
Hmm.
dragon, Asian,
Hmm.
egal,
Hmm.
egal,
Hmm.
east,
Hmm.
widder,
Hmm.
built,
Yeah.
oder,
Hmm.
zaul,
Hmm.
monad,
Hmm.
kor,
Monad and corp. Okay.
tun,
Next.
mutter,
Hmm. Good. Shoe.
shoe,
Yeah.
belen,
Hmm.
oben,
Hmm. Hmm.
sakor,
Corp.
and give,
Yeah. Corp and
or
deep. Correct.
and give.
Hmm.
Camping,
Hmm.
doom,
Hmm.
bider,
Bida. See, this EI is a vowel combination. Okay. EI
Yeah,
is a vowel
vowel.
combination. EI sound is I. That becomes Bida. Okay.
bider,
Next.
widder,
Hmm.
bat,
Hmm.
hunt,
Hunt. Okay.
foul,
Hmm.
saf,
Shaft. SCH is sure. Okay.
Shaft.
After a one consonant, shaft.
yes, saf,
Next.
gegen,
Yeah.
tak,
Hmm.
klug,
Hmm.
halt,
Hmm.
gegen,
Hmm.
gen,
Hmm.
it's sein,
Halt, Gayan and Zayan, not Zayan. It's Zayan. Okay.
zen,
Hmm.
Junge,
Hmm.
Klasse,
Yeah.
Chicken,
Hmm.
Keller,
Hmm.
Will,
Hmm.
Antme,
Atman. Hmm.
Atman,
Hmm.
Atman,
Hmm.
Shrimp,
Swim.
Swim,
Hmm.
Brennan,
Hmm.
Brown,
Hmm.
Lipper,
Lipper. Okay.
Lipper,
Good. So now let's start with Q. Speak. Yeah. See here. Queer.
Quer,
Hmm.
Reze,
Yeah. Queer and then riser.
yes,
Next.
Bruder,
Ruder.
yes, Bruder,
Hmm.
Sweater,
Schwester.
Swester,
Next.
Zingen,
Zingen.
yes, and Swallows,
Schloss. SCH is Shana. So that becomes Schloss.
yes, Sloss,
Hmm. Next.
Sloss, Tunken,
Duncan. Yeah.
yes, Tunken,
Hmm.
Ratten,
Hmm.
Volkswagen,
Hmm.
Volkswagen,
Yeah, V is
Phil?
fur and W is verse. That becomes Volkswagen.
Okay.
Fox means people
Volkswagen,
and Wagen means
yes.
car. That becomes people's
Car.
car. It's a German company. Okay, Volkswagen.
Okay,
Next.
Feel,
I is E. It's a vowel combination. I
Yes.
is E. Feel.
for,
For.
Wasser,
Wasser. Double S is sir. Wasser.
Wasser,
Hmm.
Vegan,
Vegan.
and Wo,
Wo.
Vegan, and Wo,
Wo. Correct. Okay. Next is X. Okay. So
Extra
X is Strahlen. Right.
extra land,
Correct. X is Strahlen. Exactly. Next is Y. Y is
So-
having the UI sound. So speak the example.
Ui.
Twip.
Twip,
Hmm.
side,
Twip and then sight. Yeah.
and soup,
Correct. Twip, sight, and soup. Okay.
yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Now we have some consonant combinations. Okay.
Okay.
There are some consonant combinations. So first is ST. Right. First is
Yes.
ST. ST is ishta.
Ishto,
Right. ST is ishta. And SP is ishpa. Ishpa.
Ispa,
ST is ishta and SP is ishpa. Clear?
okay,
Yeah. Next is SCH. SCH is sha. Right?
sure,
SCH is sha. Next is TSCH. TSCH is cha. Okay?
Cho,
Yeah, cha. Cha for let's say
okay,
chai.
CH,
TSCH,
Chai,
TSCH is cha. Clear? In some regions they speak like sha also, but you have to prefer cha
Okay.
only. For SCH, for TSCH you have to prefer cha. Okay, that's why they say Deutsch. Remember, Deutsch.
Deutsch. Yes.
Deutsch.
Yes. Deutsch.
Yeah. So some people say Deutsch also, but 90% area in Germany they say Deutsch.
Yes.
Okay. Then next is PF. PF is fur. Okay.
For.
PF is fur. Right. PF is fur. So right hand side there are some examples written. Speak them.
SFUHL. Right spell?
Yeah. Stool.
Yes. Stone.
Stool. Next.
Stool.
Hmm.
Okay. So stool. So
Straffer.
Straffer. Straffer.
Hmm.
So spellen.
Spillen.
Sorry, spillen.
Hmm.
And space. Or space.
Hmm. Spicer.
Space.
EI is I. Spicer.
Okay. Spicer.
Hmm.
Spot.
Spot. Yeah.
Spot.
Hmm.
SCH. Wait.
Next. Expression.
Expression.
Hmm.
Okay. Expression.
Hmm.
Expression.
Hmm.
Tougher.
Tougher. Yeah.
So PF means F. Tougher. Right.
Hmm.
So
Next.
furred.
Fad. PF is for fad.
Furred.
Okay.
Furred.
Right.
Fed.
Good. Next is CH. CH is very important. CH is having two sounds, kha and sha. Okay.
Okay.
Two sounds are there, kha and sha. How you will identify? See, the rule is after A, O or U. After A, O or U, whenever CH coming, then you will
Okay.
have the kha sound. You will have the kha sound.
KH.
Example: nak, auk, hawk. You can see any example. Okay. After A, O or U, if CH is coming, that will have the kha sound. Clear?
Oh.
So nak, auk, hawk, like this. Otherwise, everywhere else you will have the sh sound. Okay.
Sure.
Example:
Okay.
ish, expression, station. Okay. Like this. So everywhere you will have the sh sound.
Okay.
Right? In some regions they say ik also, but you don't have to follow that accent. You have to follow this rule always. That
Okay.
whenever after A, O or U you have CH, you will have the kh sound. Otherwise, sh sound.
Sure sound.
Yeah.
Yes.
So speak this example: ish.
Ish.
Yeah. Next, station.
Station.
Next,
So tish.
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 Next.
Tish. So sale.
Shula. SCH.
Sorry. Schuler.
Next.
Schuler. So
Deutsch.
S means dish.
Deutsch. Okay.
Deutsch.
So DEU TSCH. TSCH is having the cha.
Deutsch.
Right?
Yes. Deutsch.
Cha sound, that becomes Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Okay. Got the rule of CH?
Skellen. Tish.
TSCH is cha, no?
Can we-
That's why Deutsch.
Yes. Oh. Can we repeat this?
Yes. After CH, if you have A or U, okay? Read this example.
Okay.
After CH, if you have, CH is coming after A or U. Whenever CH is coming after A or U, it will have the kh sound, right?
Okay.
It will have the kh sound, otherwise it will have the sh sound,
It's
right?
just sure sound.
Otherwise it will have the sh sound. Clear?
Sure sound. Yeah.
Yes. So speak this example: nak, auk, and hawk. Okay.
Nak, auk, and hawk.
Yeah. Exactly. Right? Got it now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you see here, there are some words written here. Okay. There are some words written. So speak these examples. You have to speak the blue words. Okay. You can use the rules. Try to speak them one by one. Okay. Take 2 minutes of time. Take 2 minutes of time. First solve this. Whatever you can see on your screen. Okay. These blue words.
Oh.
Solve the pronunciation and then you can start reading them one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
First one is good.
Hmm.
Gilp.
Gelp.
Gelp. Gelp. Magen.
Hmm.
Freitag.
Hoot.
Hoot. Haben.
Hmm.
Lehren,
Hmm.
haben. Let's repeat. So haben. J means J means J, right?
Yeah, Jung, Haben, Jodler.
Yes. Haben Jodler.
Hmm.
Yes. J means Y. Jodler.
Yeah.
Jodler.
Hmm.
Uh, Junge.
Junga.
Sorry, Junge. Junge.
Hmm.
Junge. So, Har.
Hmm. Yar. Okay.
Yar.
J,
Sorry.
Yar.
Yar.
Hmm.
Yar.
Hmm.
Sorry. I can't pronounce this.
Jurist. J, Jurist.
Jurist.
Yeah.
Jurist.
Jurist.
Yes. Jurist. Klein.
Hmm.
Vicar.
Hmm.
Kishan.
Yeah.
Kurk.
Hmm. Kisan Kurds.
Kisan Kurz. Okay. Z. Kurz. Some Mag.
Hmm.
Yep. Okay. So Moose.
Hmm.
Swarm.
Hmm.
Storm.
Yeah.
And net.
Storm and then net.
Storm and net.
Hmm.
Donor
Hmm.
and Zwin. Yeah, Gwen. Zwin or Gwen? I'm confused.
Donor and then Gavin.
Gavin. Okay, Gavin. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Gavin.
Okay, clear now till here?
Yeah.
Everything?
Yes.
Yeah. Then this one next.
Penty.
Party.
Sorry, party. Sorry.
Yeah. Party.
Party.
Hmm.
Praise.
Hmm.
It's tapete.
Yeah.
So, Kupte.
Kuffar.
Kufar. Sorry, Kufar. Kiev. PF means for. Kufar. And Q means Quer.
Yeah. Queer.
Quer. Sorry, Quer.
Kuffar and then quark. Okay, next is quark.
Quark. Okay, Quark. Qualifizer. Sorry, Qualifizer.
Qualifizieren.
Qualifizieren.
Hmm.
Qualifizieren. Okay. Quittung.
Hmm.
Okay. Quorum.
Quorum.
Okay. Quorum.
Hmm.
Wait. So, Roisa.
Roll shoe.
Rolsu. Okay. Rolsu. And rest.
Hmm.
And Fahren.
Hmm.
Butter. Sorry, butter.
Hmm.
And Supe.
Zuppa. Yeah.
Super.
Zuppa. Hmm.
Oh, yes, super.
Yeah.
Super.
Hmm.
Zagen. Sorry, Zagen. So, Mason. Okay. Basin.
Hmm.
So, True.
Troy. EU is OI, okay?
Troy. Sorry, Troy. You. Last one is you.
Yeah, EU is OI.
Troy.
EU is a vowel combination. EU is OI. So that
Oi,
becomes
okay.
Troy. Here you don't have to use the sound of U. Here it is OI. EU is OI.
Troy. Okay.
Hmm.
Troy. Right. So, Flirt.
Flat.
Hmm. So, Flote.
Hmm.
So, Bart.
Bart. Next.
Bart. The next is wait. What?
Hmm.
Yes. What now? So pronouns is what?
Bart, Bart, B na Bart.
Bart. Sorry, Bart.
Hmm.
So we foil. Foil. So
Fall,
foil. Okay.
fall, fall.
Foil. Foil. Fall. Sorry, fall. Fall. VOLL. Fall. So
Hmm.
fair.
Hmm.
So vulgar.
Fulgar.
Fulgar. Sorry, vulgar.
Hmm.
Vulgar.
Hmm.
So varum.
Varum, Varum.
Varum. Sorry, varum.
Yeah.
Fair.
Hmm.
Furvendung.
Verwendung. Yeah.
Fairvendung.
Hmm.
Okay. Fairvendung.
Hmm.
So, Fendulvo.
Anderswo.
Fendersvo. Okay.
Anderswo.
Fendersvo.
Anderswo. Yeah.
Su.
Hmm.
Bleeze.
Blitz, Blitz.
Blitz. Okay. So Krabsen. Sorry, Kratzen.
Hmm.
And Spellin.
Zeppelin, Zeppelin.
Zeppelin. Sorry, Zeppelin.
Okay.
Zeppelin. Okay.
Yes. Okay, good. Now we have these three umlaut letters. Okay.
Okay.
These two dots are called umlaut. So we have three umlaut letters: A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. Okay.
Okay.
A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. So A umlaut
U
sound
umlaut.
is A. Clear?
A. Okay.
A umlaut sound is A. So speak the example. Alter.
Alter.
Hmm. Next, O umlaut is your. O umlaut is your. Speak the example. Shorn.
Sean.
Hmm. And
Can
U
we repeat?
umlaut is you. U umlaut is you. Tur.
Cure.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Can we repeat umlaut?
O umlaut is your. Shorn.
Your. Okay. Your. Sean.
Yes.
Oh. Yes.
Morgan. And next is U umlaut is like you. Tur. Speak tur.
You. Tuer
And Flusser.
and Flusche.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Yes. It's good.
Clear till here? Tur and
Yes. Clear.
Flusser.
Yes.
Next is
Tur and
we have some vowel combinations. Double A is A. Double A is A. Speak the example.
So har and par.
Par. R and par.
Yes. R and par.
Yeah. Next.
Ow. So Frau.
AU. AU is ow. AU is ow.
Ow.
Speak the example.
Frau.
Hmm.
And Blau.
Frau and Blau.
Blau. Yes.
Okay. Frau and Blau.
Blau.
Right. Next is A umlaut U, that is oi.
Oe.
A umlaut U, that is oi.
Fräulein.
Hmm.
Is Fräulein. Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Bräunen.
So,
Fräulein
B.
and Bräunen.
Bräunen. Yeah. Bräunen.
Correct. Yeah. Fräulein and Bräunen.
Bräunen.
Next is double E. Double E is A.
Te.
Double E is A. Speak the example.
Te.
Te and Schnee.
Yeah. Schnee. Okay.
Okay.
Double E is A. A-Y. A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Te and Schnee.
Te and Schnee. Okay.
Okay. Next is EU. EU and A umlaut U, they are having the same sound.
Oi.
EU and A umlaut U, they are having the same sound. That is oi.
Okay. Oi.
Right? EU and A
Freude.
umlaut U, yeah, that is oi. So speak the example. Freude.
Freude.
Hmm.
So, soy.
Freude and Scheu.
Soy. Yes. So next one is I.
Okay. Freude and Scheu.
No.
Next is
Okay.
EI. EI is I.
Yes.
EI is I. So speak the
I.
example. Fry and
Fry.
Niner.
Nine.
Niner. Correct.
Niner. Sorry. Niner.
Yes.
Okay.
Fry and Niner.
Niner.
Next is IE. IE is E.
E.
Okay.
Okay.
IE is E. So speak the
E.
example. IE
Zieben?
Zieben.
Zieben, sorry, Zieben.
Hmm.
Okay, Zieben.
Yeah. Okay. IE is
Oh.
E, so that becomes Zieben. Clear?
Okay, Zieben.
Next is double O. Double O is O. Double O is O.
Oh,
So speak the
so
example.
boat.
Boat.
Boat, sorry, boat.
Hmm. Boat.
Boat.
Right. And
Okay.
last is your this beta. Beta is the
Beta.
asset sound. Beta. So speak the
Asset.
example. Asan and gross.
Asen. Beta sound is S.
Beta is
Double S.
sa sound. Don't
Sa sound,
replace with
okay.
double S. It is the having the sound of sa. Beta is
Okay.
sa sound. So speak
Asen
asan
and
and
gross.
gross.
Asen and gross. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Clear now?
Yeah, it's okay.
Asan and gross.
And gross. Yes. Asen and gross. It's clear.
Okay. So revise this. Revise these last two pages quickly. Okay.
Yes.
Start from here. A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. Speak
Yes.
the sound and the example. Start from here.
Yes. Alton.
Hmm.
So, Sean.
Hmm.
Mogen.
Hmm.
Tour.
Hmm.
Fluse.
Hmm.
Yes. Okay, next.
Next is the umlaut. These vowel combinations. Double A. Speak.
Yeah. So, Har.
Hmm.
Par.
Hmm.
So, Frau.
Hmm.
So, Blau.
Hmm.
Okay. So, Oi sound. So, Fräulein
Fräulein.
and Bromen.
Broinen. A
Bronen. Sorry.
umlaut is
Broinen.
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 Hmm.
So, Te
Te.
and Senen.
Schnee.
Schnee. Sorry. Schnee.
Hmm.
Schnee. Okay. Frode
Freude.
and Freude and Soy.
Scheu. SCH is scheu.
Shoy.
Hmm.
So, Fry
Yeah.
and Nene.
Nine. Fry and
Sorry.
nine.
Nine.
Hmm.
Okay, where the others? So Zeben. Sorry, Ziben. And Boat.
Yeah.
Ziben and Boat. Okay.
Correct. Ziban and boat.
Boat. Yes.
Next is beta. That is having the sa sound.
Yes, sir sound. Asen
Hmm.
and Gross. Okay.
Asen and
And gross.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it now? Tell me.
Yeah.
Right. So
That's
this
good,
completes
yeah.
our pronunciation. Now what I'm doing, I'm sending you one homework. That is
Okay.
one list of exercise which you have to try to read at home, and in the class you will read in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
I'll send
yeah.
you 2-3 passages. So today very less homework is there. Just revise these rules, nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
And then I have sent you this file exercise.pdf. In that there are some paragraphs written. So in that you can
Yeah.
leave the numbers. Okay. Don't read the numbers and all. Just only the text you have to try to read at home, and in the class you will read them. Okay.
Okay. Only words I can read.
Yeah. Just hold on. Give me a minute. Let me end this.
Yeah.